Hey, YouTube fam! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got something exciting to discuss: SociSmart, the ultimate tool for harnessing the power of Instagram's Threads app. If you've been searching for a game changer in social media marketing, this might just be it. So, grab your favorite snack and let's dive into this review. Alright, first things first, let's take a look at SociSmart's website. It's presented as a groundbreaking certification program by Cindy Donovan, promising to reveal untapped secrets from a massive audience of 185.32 million people on Threads. And guess what? It comes at an attractive front-end price of just $17. But don't get too excited just yet. As with any online program, it's essential to look beyond the hype and evaluate its actual value. If you want a detailed review about SociSmart, I recommend a full video that you can find in the description. SociSmart's features. SociSmart offers an intriguing set of features. The 5-day certification program promises to teach you 10 beginner-friendly income streams using the Threads app. Plus, as a member, you'll get access to a membership dashboard with exclusive benefits and expert-only resources. This sounds like an excellent opportunity to level up your social media marketing game. Now, let's talk about Threads. They claim it's the fastest-growing social media platform ever, and SociSmart is your ticket to establish, master, and monetize it. Imagine being able to turn your mobile phone into a traffic and sales generator. Sounds too good to be true, right? SociSmart's use cases. SociSmart isn't just for individuals. It's also aimed at entrepreneurs, small business owners, freelancers, affiliate marketers, content creators, and influencers. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned marketer, they promise to have something for everyone. Now, here's the thing: with so many claims and promises, we've got to consider the pros and cons. Pros and cons. On the pro side, the program appears to offer comprehensive training, expert resources, and a certification to boost your credibility. The testimonials from satisfied customers are encouraging, and the bonus resources certainly sweeten the deal. However, there are some potential drawbacks. The program emphasizes a 5-day challenge, which means you've got to be ready to keep up the pace. And let's not forget about the reliance on the Threads app in the ever-changing world of social media. One platform's popularity can shift in the blink of an eye. Final conclusion. So, here's the bottom line: SociSmart seems like an exciting opportunity, especially if you're looking to tap into the power of Threads and level up your marketing game. But, remember, it's essential to do your due diligence and consider your specific needs and goals. Alright, that's a wrap on our SociSmart review. If you found this helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more reviews and helpful content. Let us know your thoughts and experiences with SociSmart in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for joining us today. Until next time, stay smart and stay social. Take care, everyone. If you want a detailed review about SociSmart, I recommend a full video that you can find in the description.